Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an ad on Facebook. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Now select the page you want to create an ad for. You can create an ad by tapping on Ads at the top of the screen or by tapping on Promote. But from the page menu, I'll choose Posts and I'll show you how to create an ad for an existing post. So I'll just choose a post and tap on Boost Post. Now at the top of the page you'll see your ad preview. Then you will see your post insights. Then you have to select your goal. If you want to get more engagements on your page, then select Get More Engagement. Or if you want to get more messages, then select Get More Messages. And you can also add a button. If you select Send Message, your button will be enabled. Now you have to select your target audience. Tap Create New. Now name your audience. There are two ways to reach people. One is region, another one is address. I'll stick to address and increase the radius to maximum. Now I'll set up characteristics of my target audience. Here you can add demographics, interest, or behavior. Now let's start with demographics. I'll just select one from the drop down and select a few from the suggestions. Then I'll just add some interest of my target audience. There are multiple categories you can choose from. I'll just randomly select a few. Now when you are done, tap Save at the bottom of the screen. Then you can select an age group of your target audience. You can also change the gender. You can select men, women, or both by tapping on All. When you are done, tap Save Audience. Now you have to enter your budget. You can directly enter the number you want to spend on this ad. And you'll get a result of estimated daily average. You can also drag the slider to increase or decrease your budget. You can also change the duration as you like. You can also change the currency. Now you are able to run the ad on Instagram too. From here you can also add your payment method. When you are done setting up everything, tap on Boost Post Now. Here you have to enter your business identification number. If you have a business identification number or BIN, then enter it here and you will not be charged a VAT. And if you skip this step, you will be charged 15% tax on your payment. I'll just skip this step. Let's move forward. Now you can select your country and you have to add a payment method to make your payment. And when you make your payment, your ad will be automatically up and running. And that's how you can create an ad on Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.